On a stretch of Route 66 through Weatherford, Oklahoma, hard work still drives the day. This is Auto Pros on the Road, and today we're visiting Gabe's Twisted Wrench, where one man's lifelong passion for turning wrenches keeps his community on the move.
I started right after high school, went to a GM ASAP program, went to a GM dealership, worked there for almost 10 years. And I went and did some emissions in the oil field. Did that for about 10 years and decided to open up my own shop, and I did it.
From a start at a GM dealership to long days in the oil fields, Gabe learned the trade the way most great techs do. One bolt, one problem, and one lesson at a time.
Nothing is the same every day. You're on so many different models, different problems. You don't get used to the same problem over and over again.
In a place like Weatherford, you get to know every truck, every farmer, every family that comes through the door. Around here, shops like Gabe's aren't just fixing vehicles, they're keeping livelihoods running strong.
I started off myself with just me and my wife. She ran up front and I ran the shop. And we've grown from there. I have 4 guys now, 6 bays. It's basically 2 40 by 60s put together. We got the office and waiting room and one of them, and then we have 4 2-posts, 1 flat bay, and a 4-post we do oil changes on.
Since partnering with NAPA in 2018, Gabe's found more than quality parts, he's found confidence. Backed by NAPA's 24,000-mile nationwide warranty and with a store just down the street, service here is fast, trusted, and built to last.
The 24,000-mile warranty is why I did it. We can usually have parts, depending on how busy the day is, sometimes we'll have them in 5 to 10 minutes from when we hit order to they walk in.
For Gabe, it's about that moment that a car rolls out under its own power, proof that hard work, skill, and pride still define the American technician.
We work on people's cars that are cops and doctors and nurses and everything else, so it makes you feel good. I like being able to have one come in on a tow truck and drive it out. It just makes, you can tell that you've done something.
From Weatherford, Oklahoma to small towns all across America, the NAPA network keeps the open road alive. This is Auto Pros on the Road, and this is Gabe's Twisted Wrench, part of the NAPA family.